Like a house with a strong foundation, a well-built boat starts with a hull. Tracker begins by cutting from a roll of marine-grade aluminum, which is an extremely tough alloy developed to withstand the rigors of the outdoor environment. The smooth, dry ride of a Tracker Deep V comes from a 35-degree dead rise in the front, tapering to a 20-degree angle at the back. This makes the Tracker Deep V great in rough water, but also highly stable. Then lifting strakes are added which help the boat ride higher, making it faster and drier even in chop. Another reason Tracker guarantees its quality? These boats are all welded. Rivets can possibly loosen and leak, but Tracker welds its seams and parts, creating a more unitized boat that will last years longer, and we stand behind it. It's another reason why the Tracker Promise guarantees its boats with a limited lifetime structural warranty. It's the strongest warranty in the aluminum boat industry.